um, in the marriage, it is so important for you to really work on your communication.
Yeah.
Kasi it's really something that it's really the foundation that will help your relationship grow. Because nga, we have an open communication. I wear my heart on my sleeve. So I say what I
Which
I
is
say what
wonderful.
I
Which is
feel,
wonderful.
what I'm feeling. That's the number one thing that couples really need to work on. Kasi we have this illusion na, ay dapat he knows what I'm thinking of. Hindi naman mind readers ang mga asawa natin. So you're just setting yourself up for a lot of heartache, away, useless away. You need to be intentional. You really need to guard your time together. You really need to put it in your calendar. Kaya I was saying, yung dates namin, at least once a week. Maraming spontaneous times. And that is where you get to work on your communication. Pero nagde-date kayo, pero naka-cellphone kayo.
Yes.
Kumakain kayo, hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. The date kayo, manonood lang kayo ng sine, tapos wala na, tapos na.